Welcome back to your course. We are ready to begin Unit 8, Drafting the Research Paper Part 2. Your next assignment, the Unit 8 individual project, is to create the rough draft of your research paper. But if you've been keeping up with your weekly assignments, this should be a fairly straightforward task. Last week's discussion board assignment was to write the 3-body paragraphs and receive feedback from other students in the class. If you participated in the discussion, be sure to carefully review their comments and any comments made by your instructor, even those that are directed at other students. Remember, this course is a learning community, so be mindful of taking any opportunity you can to improve your writing skills. This week, you will need to add an introduction paragraph, a paragraph or two counter-arguing the opposing view, and a conclusion paragraph. So really, half the work is already done. On the other hand, if you weren't able to complete the discussion board assignment last week, consider reviewing the posts anyway. See what arguments were made and how students and the instructor provided feedback to encourage stronger arguments. If we take a look at the next 3 weeks of the term, you can see that the research paper rough draft is due at the end of Unit 8. The final discussion board assignment is due at the end of Unit 9. And then you will complete the research paper by the end of Unit 10. It's extremely important that you strive to stay on track. Submit the rough draft on time so you can receive valuable feedback from your instructor that you can apply to the final draft that is due in Unit 10. You are so close to the finish line. You can do it.